So in today's video, we are going to take you through how to turn on your irrigation system after the end of winter once it's been winterized. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to locate your control system in ground. You're going to see these green caps here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go and you're going to open your caps. So after winter, you're probably gonna have to clear some of the debris away. So you're gonna grab a flathead screwdriver, makes it much easier. Okay, pop these open. And then if you have insulation in them like we do, next thing you're gonna do is pull your insulation out. So once you have all your insulation out of the containers, then you're going to look at this. So this is your electronic control for your zones. So you're going to make sure this is turned on. So on this one, you turn it on by turning it left. Off is right. Sometimes the wiring can get loose in these, so you'll have to double check that. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure all these are shut. So when you turn this on, these don't spray out. Then you're going to make sure that this is in line with the pipe. So that means it's closed. Then you're going to turn this and turn it in line with the pipe like this one. And the last step you're going to do is you're going to turn this on. Once you do that, you'll go over to your sprinkler system and turn the sprinkler system on. In the next video, we're going to show you how to turn on your sprinkler system control from your garage. So make sure you go into the description below to go to that link, or we'll have it pop up on the screen. As always, please help us grow, support our channel by liking and subscribing to this and helping us create more content like this for you to use.